Good morning, children. This is video 7, and we will be learning past perfect continuous tense in this video. Past perfect continuous tense is a combination of perfect and continuous. So it includes actions which are partly completed, but the action is still going on and it will end sometime in past itself. And the question it asks is, what had you been doing? So when you answer to this question, all the answers will fall into the category of past perfect continuous. Let's take a few examples. Now come to this example. By 12 o'clock, they had been dancing for 2 hours already. Probably they were celebrating New Year's Eve. So by 12 o'clock, they had been dancing for 2 hours. Means they started at 10. Okay, 10 p.m. and 12 also they were dancing. So 2 hours of dancing completed and it is still going on. They have not yet stopped. Let's look at this example. The mummy had been running for an hour when she saw a dancing devil. So 1 hour of running was already completed. That's when mummy saw the dancing devil, but she continued to run. She did not stop. As far as timeline is concerned, see, the action started here, okay, and it has ended here. The cross indicates end of an action. So past perfect continuous also has nothing to do with present tense. Now the time expressions, see, past perfect continuous, the words or the time expressions are when, before, by the time, for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, since, and how long. Usually we use perfect continuous tenses to talk about duration of an action. Then it uses the verb form that is used in perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous is V4 form of the verb, that is V in ing form. Usage is mainly used to indicate duration of a past activity. Then to emphasize the continuation of an action that was in progress before another action or time in the past. And last is to show the cause of past action. We learn the usage better with the help of examples. The formation is, the structure is singular subject will be singular subject, plural subject, both will be followed by had been plus V4 form of the verb. So there is only one helping verb which is used along with been to form a sentence of past perfect continuous. Now, as far as usage is concerned of past perfect continuous, it is used to show that something started in the past and continued up till another time in the past. The example for this is, they had been talking over an hour before Tony arrived. So the time when Tony arrived, the talking was already over for an hour, but they continue to talk. And second is cause of something in the past. For example, Jason was tired because he had been jogging. So this is the cause and the effect is Jason was tired. So the jogging was continued for some time. That is why Jason was tired. Then reported speech also we use past perfect continuous. You told me that you had been saving money. So if you remember, direct indirect speech we had done last year. You told me that, when that comes, it becomes reported speech or indirect speech. Then it expresses longer actions in the past before another action in the past. So whenever we got to talk about long actions, we are preferably we should use past perfect continuous. Ram started waiting for me at 9 a.m. The waiting started at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. When I arrived, Ram had been waiting for 2 hours. So from 9 a.m. till 11 a.m., the waiting, this part was completed. So this is perfect. And when I arrived, then also the waiting was going on. Okay. So this is an example of situation when we have to express longer actions. Now, affirmative, how to change affirmative into negative and interrogative. Same thumb rule. Insert a negative word after the helping verb. So in this tense also there is a helping verb. Of course, if you see, there are two helping verbs, had and been, but preferably we insert not just after the first helping verb. So it is going to be I had not been playing football. You must have heard people saying I had been not playing football, but that is incorrect. He had not been playing football, they had not been playing football. And again, for interrogative yes no type of sentences, we simply will bring the helping verb in front. So in the beginning, had I been playing football, question mark, had he been playing football, question mark, had they been playing football, question mark. Children, this brings us to the end of past tense. We've covered all the four types of past tense, and in the next video we'll start with future tense. Please do solve the exercises on past tense and grammar gear, and also watch the reference video that I'll be sending along. Thank you.